Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw Finn the human from the series Adventure Time. For this drawing we'll need colored pencils black, blue, light blue, green, and light orange. This drawing is 30 squares tall and 22 squares wide. We'll start with the black pencil and skip 4 squares from left to right. In square number 5, we mark 1. Down to the right, 2 vertically. Down to the right, 1. Up to the right, 8 horizontally. Down to the right, 1. Up to the right, 2 vertically. Up to the right, 1. From this square down to the left, 6 vertically. Down 2 horizontally. Up to the right, 1. Up to the right, 2 horizontally. Up to the right, 6 horizontally. Down to the right, 2 horizontally. Down to the right, 1. Down to the right, 4 vertically. Down to the left, 1. Down to the left, 2 horizontally. From this square, down 3 vertically. Down to the right, 1. Down to the right, 2 horizontally. Down to the right, 6 horizontally. From this square, skip 1 square down and mark 2 vertically. From this square, skip 1 more down and mark 2 vertically. From this square, skip 4 squares to the right and mark 2 horizontally. From this square, down 7 vertically. From this square to the right, 2 horizontally. Down to the right, 10 horizontally. Up to the right 3 horizontally. From this square down to the right 13 vertically. From this square down 2 horizontally. Down to the left 8 vertically. Down to the left 1. Down to the right 2 horizontally. Up to the right 9 vertically. From this square down 2 horizontally. Down to the right 8 vertically. Down to the right 1. Down to the left 2 horizontally. Up to the left 9 vertically. On this line, count 2 squares up from the bottom and to the right mark 14 horizontally. On this line, count 4 from left to right and mark 4 vertically below. Down to the left 2 diagonally. From this square to the right 4 horizontally. From this square up 5 vertically. From this square, skip 1 square to the right and mark 6 vertically. From this square to the right 4 horizontally. On this line, count 2 from right to left and mark 1 above. Up to the left 4 vertically. And now let's color all the squares we marked. Join the Pixeler Club, which is what we color family here at Pixelados. All you have to do is subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, take the green pencil and mark these 4 vertically. Here, also mark 4 vertically. And now color them in. Next, with the light blue pencil, mark 4 vertically here. Here as well, mark 4 vertically. From this square, skip 1 square down and mark 14 horizontally. Now let's color all these areas of the drawing. In the top corner, you'll find the link to my pixel art drawing channel in Spanish, where you'll find hundreds of step-by-step tutorials with subtitles. Take the blue pencil now, and here mark 2 vertically. Here also mark 2 vertically. Let's mark the border of this part of the drawing to avoid going over it while coloring. Now color it in. Take the light orange pencil and here mark 1. Here also mark 1. Now color all this part of in. This is how our drawing looks today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like and comment below telling me your favorite Adventure Time character. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in a new video. I'm sending you a kiss, a big hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paita and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!